Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how to decrease the video file size in iPhone. Because if you open up the Photos app and locate any sort of video, you can swipe up on it and you get to see right away the size, which is in this case 72 megabytes. And perhaps it's a video with a lot larger file size. And in case you want to decrease that, I would recommend you to just go ahead and open up the App Store and look up a video compressor. Literally, that's what you need to look up, right? And there are plenty of apps, right? So you can see that you can get like many of the apps which are going to be like prompted to you, but I have personally some good experience with this one, which looks like with the white, the blue logo, like shrinking the video size and whatever. So I like to get this one. I've used it on a different device. And essentially this app allows you to import your own videos and essentially make them smaller. So once the app just loads up, you need to open it up like this. And essentially make sure you allow it access to your photos, which might seem a little bit, like weird or whatever, but you just have to give it some access to your videos. So either choose full access or just limit it to just that selected video. I'm going to click on allow. I don't have to just do that. I'm going to hit X on this and I'm going to start the video compression. So I'm going to go to all videos and let's say it's going to be this video, the very same one with the 72 megabytes, which I've shown you in the beginning, right? So what I can do is essentially downgrade the video two different ways. So I can just lower the frame rate, which, isn't very recommended to go like all the way to the bottom, because then the video is going to be like unwatchable, but I can just lower it to 25. It's still going to be fine. And also most likely the resolution is something that should be lowered down, right? So that's something that you need to just lower a little bit to make the video smaller. You're going to click on compress and then the video after an ad apparently is going to become compressed and like smaller size overall. So it's going to be pretty useful. You just have to just wait for it and essentially you're going to lower it. So you can see before it was 72 megabytes. Now it's 21.4. So we saved 50 megabytes, right? So I'm going to just keep this one original. I'm pretty sure it's already exported into the gallery. So yeah, it is right here, 13 seconds of the video. And again, the one with 21 megabytes. And you can barely see any difference, right? Because, obviously the quality is lower, but we compressed and decreased the video file size. So that's it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next video.